welcome to the Martin Bailey Photography Podcast. It's July 12, 2021, and this is episode 745. Just a short audio episode today to let you know that I've just released a video to walk you through how you can use my new MVP fine art border tools for Adobe Photoshop to resize and add borders for web and print, as well as adding a watermark. I've just released an update that enables you to now save multiple watermark images and easily switch between them, improving the flexibility of the plugin. So check that out if you've already bought Fab tools. I also include a demonstration of how you can lay out print images on roll media or larger sheet media to save money on stocking lots of smaller media sizes, and we trim them in two different ways as well. I've embedded the video into the blog post for this week, so please check that out at mbp.ac/745. And if you'd like to pick up a copy of the new plugin, there's a link in that post. So please do check out the video, and I'll be back next week with a regular episode. Until then, take care and have a great week.